next web tutorial. In this segment we can see how to build the Apache and PHP from cPanel. So at first log into the WHM page and go to the softwares. So if you want to build Apache and PHP alone, just go either these tabs, and if you want to build Apache, PHP as well as the MySQL at the same time, you can go into this tab. So now I'm going to build only Apache and PHP. So I'm going into EasyApache 3. So here you can see the previously saved configuration category and cPanel recommended profiles. So this previously saved configuration is nothing but the default configuration which is built and given by cPanel at initial stage. So here these are the recommended settings, and here you can choose the Apache versions. So the Apache latest version is 2.4, so we need to select this. So instead of selecting this, we can see the default configuration given by Apache is also 2.4. So just give build profile here to build, but I have to add some additional modules to Apache and PHP. So I'm going into the customize profile. So at this stage I have choose the Apache's latest version 2.4.18 and just click next step. So it will go to the next PHP version. So in this PHP version you can see that the available versions, and these two versions are mentioned as end of life. So end of life simply means that the product is expired. So these are the available versions, that is 5.5 and 5.6. so I have chosen the latest version, and next option we go for short options list. So click next step. So these two in this section, these two categories are already checked and built inside when the cPanel is given. So if you want to add some additional modules inside this two category, you can go to exhaustive options list. So in this exhaustive options list, it gives all the built-in modules and the other modules which is built inside Apache. If you want to know about all the Apache modules, you can go to this official site, or else just click the more info respective to this module. So here I am enabling this as is module. So as is module is nothing but send as is. So the files with the .as is extension will be sent by Apache to client with no changes. And next, deflate module. So I need this deflate module since this module provide deflate output filter which compress my server's output before Apache sends data. Basically this module is used to reduce amount of bandwidth when server uses to transfer data. And next, to control the internal environmental variables, I need to enable this env module and expose module. Expose module controls the setting of HTTP header. So this provides the instructions to the clients about the document's validity, and headers which handles the HTTP request and response headers. And next I'm going to enable this npm prefork model. So npm prefork module is nothing but multiprocessing module which handles the thread request in Apache. So by clicking this, it will ask for the confirmation that it gives that mode QoS 11.5 module will be automatically disabled when this module is enabled. So if you want to accept this, just click OK. So next, modes host in PHP module is to be enabled, and the confirmation gives that it will automatically enable CGI script. So the main use of this module is that it's a tool to execute PHP scripts with their owner's authentication. So next, proxy module for security purpose, and unique ID. Unique ID is used for to generate the unique ID for each and every HTTP requests. So at last, and version. So this module helps to deal with various HTTP versions and configurations. So in other modules category, by default IonCube 4 loader will be provided by cPanel. So this module is actually used for encryption and security purpose for PHP scripts. So if you want to upgrade to the latest version, just click this latest version. So the next category we go for specific modules for PHP. In the title itself you can see that PHP has many security issues. So to overcome the security issues, we are going to tighten our security by enabling these modules. So here I have enabled this BC math module. This module is for mathematical functions, and CJ module is for enabling the CJ scripts, and some modules will be in orange color. So here you can see the options in this color are enabled by default in PHP 5.6 version. So in 5.6 version, the modules with orange color are enabled by default. So I have enabled some modules according to my preference, and you can enable according to your server preference. So once it's done, you can see the next category is preferences. So in preferences, I have selected only report errors to cPanel. If some errors are spotted, then the errors are sent directly to cPanel. So if you want to enable some other option, you can do it over here. And at last, you can see the two options. This option will just save only the changes you have made, and this option will save and starts building the PHP and Apache. So basically this option, that is save only option, is recommended because it will save only the changes you have made, and you can cross check one more time to the settings you have made. So now I'm giving just save only option. So here it says that I have made the changes what we have done. So while clicking build profile, I just saved, it will start building the setup, or you can go back to profile script to see the changes we have made. So if you want to see the settings, you can go back to the profile screen, or else just give build profile. So it will ask for the confirmation, and you can click OK. So in the next screen you will get some acknowledgement message, and you can give I understand. So it starts building the Apache and PHP. So here you can see a small notification. It simply means that if your browser is running out of memory, you will get some error message over here. So it simply means that you can't do the further steps from browser. So you need to run this script via command line, and this is the specified path. So now you can see that the Apache is built, and the PHP is asking for the final confirmation. So in this option, you can also change this Apache SU execute mode from on or off, and here you can change the handler, PHP handler. So just give save new configuration and close. It will save the newly configured settings. If you click this do a dry run option, it will not apply the actual settings what we have configured, but it will just view the PHP with latest configured settings. So if you want to see a overview, you can give this option, or else just give save new configuration and then close. Thus PHP configuration is also saved. So there's both Apache and PHP is configured and built to the latest version. See you on next video with another option in cPanel. Thanks for watching.